Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of New Jersey. Now obviously we're going to look at the three different methodologies that are available right now. The first one is going through the official state website and registering your company as a limited liability company. The next one is using a platform that can guide you and support you. And the third methodology is speaking to a lawyer and attorney directly and getting the support from them. The first thing that you need to do is head over to the state website, which is nj.gov. Now, I personally absolutely love the state of New Jersey because the way they have structured themselves is absolutely brilliant. They looked at all the different elements that are available and made everything quite simple and straightforward, from unemployment benefits to leave benefits to filing taxes to registering a business and child support, as well as assistance program and register to vote. And everyone that's available, from the governor to the lieutenant governor to the legislation and the judiciary, is available on the website. So you always know what's going on in the state of New Jersey. And that is one of the reasons why a lot of people actually select the state of New Jersey to start their limited liability company. And the first thing that you need to do is select a business. Now, once you do that, you'll be taken to the next step, where you obviously can clearly see that they are going to help you in planning, starting, operating, and growing. Because if you have a great idea and want to turn it into a successful business, New Jersey State is there to help you out. You can even decide to start your business and they will have a time to legally register it. Your doors are open and you want to stay in compliance with the operations and the states, and you can easily expand your business, find funding, and export your goods and contract with the state as well. And that is one of the things that is absolutely brilliant about the state of New Jersey, because they understand the requirements. If you scroll right up, you'll see on the top that you have plan, where you can create a business plan, choose a business structure, select a location, and all the elements available. If you head over to start, then they have the starter kit, from the business name, registering your business, registering for taxing, hiring employees, employer requirements with trademarks, patents, and copyrights, and out-of-state business registration. Now, if you look at operations, you can see all the things that you need to do and all the elements that are available and growing. Now, people, and especially young entrepreneurs that are just starting off in the industry, find it very tedious to go through all these different compliances to make sure that they cover all their legal bases. And that is one of the reasons we will introduce the other two methodologies. But before we do that, head over to plan and click on choose a business structure. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page, where you'll be given a complete breakdown of the different business structures that are available. Now, you can select which one you want. It could be a sole trader, a general partnership, a limited partnership, a limited liability partnership, or a limited liability company, or a C corporation, an S corporation, a B corporation. You can select what works for you. We're going to focus on a limited liability company, which is a hybrid between a corporation and a partnership. Similar to a C corporation, business owners in a limited liability company are not responsible for the debt of the company. In other words, they have limited liability. However, unlike a corporation, the business does not file separate taxes. Instead, each partner includes their profit on their personal tax returns. Now, obviously, if you want to go in more detail, you can head over to the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. You can easily look at all the elements that are required to register for a limited liability company. Now, guys, I know this seems very tedious and you can face a lot of difficulties in it. And that is the reason why I'm introducing this website and this platform to you, which is called inkfile.com, the fast, free, awarding winning company formation. And you can join over 1 million business owners that have used Inkfile since 2004. Starting a new business can be very stressful and also very expensive, guys. And there's so much that needs to be done to file a limited liability company, and varying state requirements. And there's so many numerous steps and lots of important documentation that can leave plenty of room for error, and obviously mistakes that can be very costly. But this is where Inkfile comes in, because they'll support you and guide you, and you'll only pay a state fee to file your business, because Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it. And formation through Inkfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional services with their premium packages, guys. And there's no hidden costs or subscriptions, and is 100% free formation with the fastest filing speed and a free registered agent with free compliance reminders. And obviously, Inkfile is a comprehensive set of services that's got you covered, from getting your EIN and business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose a service that suits your situation and when you need it. And that is one of the things I absolutely love about Inkfile, because the business essentials are all in one place, and you can get reminders and compliance alerts where you can grow your business with additional services when you need them. And obviously you can join over 1 million individuals that have used Inkfile. All you need to do is scroll down and click on Get Started. Now once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page where you will have to select the entity type. It could be an LLC, an S corporation, a C corporation, or a non-profit. We're going to go with the limited liability company. Then you will select the state that you want it in. We're focusing on New Jersey, so just scroll down, find New Jersey, and as you find it, you'll be taken to the next step. Now you have 3 packages in front of you: the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now you can clearly see the state fee is $130 across all 3 of the packages, meaning that the state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, which is different for every state in the United States. And this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State, and Inkfile does not keep any part of this fee. While on the other hand, the package fee covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. Now the silver one is completely free, and all you need to do is pay the $130 for the state fee. But you get preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name search, and a free registered agent service for a year, and unlimited phone and email support. If you look at the gold, which is a comprehensive features to get your business started, it has preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, a free registered agent service for a year, your EIN business tax number, your IRS form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account and business tax consultation. Now if you look at the element aware for the platinum one, you get a full features at the best value at a $299 package fee and $130 for the state fee. For $429 you get a business contract template, free next day filing, domain name, plus business email, and so much more. Remember guys, you need the support, you need the guidance, and my recommendation to everyone who's a first-time entrepreneur that is forming a limited liability company is to go for the platinum, because this is a small fee, a small price to pay for getting the right elements developed and structured for you, so you do not leave any of the legal bases uncovered. And you can focus on your growth, you can focus on your marketing, on your sales, on your operations, on your strategy building, and you can let the legal side be taken care by someone who understands them and knows how to structure a limited liability company. Now I get a lot of questions where people tend to ask me that we want to speak to a lawyer, someone that we can answer and our questions. So head over to LegalZoom.com, the US LegalZoom in the United States. You can get the legal help that you need with their attorneys to form business formations, will and trust, and intellectual properties. Attorneys are with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses and 650,000 consultations, and the way they do it is quite simple. They will refund their fee within 60 days if you're unhappy with their services, and you have the peace of mind that your documentations has been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave work to speak to a lawyer, and there's no hourly charges and no surprises at all. All you need to do is select what kind of company you want to form. For this one, we're doing the limited liability company, and you can start your business with confidence. It's a simple 3-step process, guys, where you tell your business name. If you've picked one, you answer a few questions and they will complete and file the paperwork for you. It is that simple, straightforward, and easy, guys. Now if you got any questions whatsoever, if you need any clarification, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out about the 3 different methodologies by which you can form a limited liability company in the state of New Jersey. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.